Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Nayana Patagami.
जय जगन्नाथ, हरे कृष्ण। પહેલાં તો પ્રભુજીનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર કે આપણને આવી સેવાનો લાભ અને સેવાની તક એક ઊભી કરી. આપણે અહીંના તમામ કોમ્યુનિટીના સભ્યો કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની સેવા હોય, કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની પૂજા હોય, કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની ભક્તિ હોય તો હંમેશા ને હંમેશા ખૂબ તત્પર હોય છે. એટલે આજે આપણને આ લાભ મળ્યો એ આપણા પરમ સૌભાગ્ય અને અહોભાગ્ય છે. તો ખૂબ સારી રીતે તમે બધા અહીં આવી અને લાભ લેવા માટે તત્પર છો એ પણ ખૂબ આનંદની વાત છે. ભગવાનની કૃપા ઉત્તરોત્તર આપણા બધા ઉપર ખૂબ વરસતી અને વધતી રહે અને આપણા નૈતિક જીવનમાં ઉત્તમ પ્રકારનું સુખ, શાંતિ, સરળતા, સમૃદ્ધિ અને સ્વાસ્થ્ય સાથે આપણે ખૂબ શ્રદ્ધાપૂર્વક વધુને વધુ ભગવાનની ભક્તિ કરી શકીએ અને પ્રભુજીનો આવો ને આવો પ્રેમ આપણી ઉપર પણ રહે એવી બસ શુભકામના, શુભેચ્છાઓ અને બધાને ફરીથી જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, હરે કૃષ્ણ.
सबसे पहले प्रभु जी का हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ कि हम लोग को सबको एक अच्छा मौका दिया लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ की स्नान यात्रा में जोड़ाने के लिए और स्नान कराने के लिए. जगन्नाथ जी के बारे में तो आपको सबको मालूम है, फिर भी एक दो वस्तु मैं बोल सकता हूँ. जगन्नाथ जी मंदिर है, इसका बहुत 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 चमत्कार है. आपको मालूम होएगा इधर पीछे इतना लंबा देखता है ये टावर है, वैसा जगन्नाथ का मंदिर इतना ऊंचा है और इसके ऊपर एक भी पक्षी ऊपर से नीचे नहीं आता है, इसके ऊपर बैठता नहीं है. जहाँ भी मंदिर होता है उसके ऊपर पक्षी बैठता है, लेकिन ये चमत्कार ऐसा है कि उसके ऊपर एक भी पक्षी कुछ भी बैठता नहीं है. इवन प्लेन भी जगन्नाथ मंदिर के ऊपर से नहीं जा सकता है. ऐसा बहुत बड़ा चमत्कार है. पक्षी तो समझता नहीं, वो बैठ सकता है, लेकिन कभी भी पक्षी उसमें बैठा नहीं है. वैसा जगन्नाथ मंदिर का तो बहुत से चमत्कार है. आप कभी गया होगा जगन्नाथ मंदिर तो देखना कि उसके बाहर बहुत बड़ा दरिया उगवाटा होता है, आवाज़ ज़ोर ज़ोर से आ रहा है, लेकिन जब आप मंदिर के एंटर करेगा एकदम पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस मिलेगा. वो कैसा एक ऐसा कोई आर्किटेक्ट नहीं है, मंदिर है, फिर भी जगन्नाथ महाराज ने बनाया. किसी को भक्तों को भी इधर अंदर जाके कुछ भी आवाज़ नहीं आए, शांति से काम कर सके, ऐसा चमत्कार जगन्नाथ महाराज ने भगवान ने किया. ये सब स्टोरी जगन्नाथ महाराज के बारे में तो बहुत सी बोल सकता है, लेकिन आज अपने लोग को जगन्नाथ का बहुत दर्शन हुआ, जगन्नाथ का स्नान यात्रा में अपने को लाभ मिला. ऐसा प्रभु जी ने हम लोग को ऐसा मौका दिया. इसके लिए इस्कॉन टेम्पल को और हम सभी भक्तजनों की ओर से प्रभु जी को बार बार धन्यवाद करता हूँ. और ऐसा ही कार्य हमेशा वो करता रहे और ऐसा हम लोग को बुलाता रहे. हम लोग भी इस्कॉन में आते ही रहते हैं. कोई मंदिर अलग नहीं है, हमारा मंदिर एक ही है, सिंपल. इधर सब मंदिर हुआ है, लेकिन हम लोग सब एक ही है. आप भी इधर आना, हम भी उधर आते ही रहते हैं और हमेशा ऐसा कार्यक्रम करता रहे. ऐसा भगवान से प्रार्थना, लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ से प्रार्थना करके हम आपको धन्यवाद फिर से देता है। जय श्री कृष्ण, जय जगन्नाथ।
जय जय
Hare Krishna. I would like to also call upon our local representative, Kedurandan Prabhu. Please come and speak a few words. You, Karta will call. You can mix.
Hare Krishna. Prabhuji watupakuwa nswa zambiri kale zokuza festival ya lero loli. So lero lo ndi koyamba kukandi festival kabiri ndi chinthu choti chatenga wapatali kwambiri. Tiyenera ndithu tikhale ozipereka timasulwe kwambiri. Ndisirwa it's a very special day. And that is in preparation of Rajayata next Saturday. So tutakutenga uso ngati mpata kuti tizikonzekerese bwino as we are also preparing for Rajayata next week in Milongo. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, I like to call upon Chitsukananda Prabhu, known as Sukhananda Prabhu. He is one of our managements. He stays in the temple with me. Whenever I am unavailable, whenever I am gone to meet my sister, go to India for medical care or whatever, he takes care of the temple. So I would like to thank him very much. So please, you can do English mix.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, we welcome you all to a special occasion. This whole period of time we are preparing for Ratha Yatra. So the Ratha Yatra consciousness is within us, at the temple mostly. So not everyone is going to get the fortune of being at the event in Lilongwe, but by Lord Jagannath's mercy, he has allowed us to experience this other pastime of his, because all these Ratha Yatra, Snana Yatra, they are all the Lord's way to get us closer to him. So to deepen our devotion for the Lord, he has given us all these things. So Lord Jagannath is so merciful. One merciful form of the Lord is Lord Jagannath, because he goes out to the streets to give his mercy to people out of the temple. And now in this bathing ceremony, he's also giving us more mercy to experience his personality. So let us have a great festival in honoring the Lord in this way as we prepare for Ratha Yatra. Siku mwambiri anzanga aji Malawi kubwera pa event imene iyi. I think ena ndo mwina ndikoyamba kuzana ndi zinthu ngati zimene zizi. Of course ndi event imene ikuchitika ku Lilongwe. Koma kukonzeka kwa event imene yoyi chinthu chimodzi chimene chimachitika ndi chimene chiti wasambisa Ambuye. Fake pali zimene zinachitika nthawi imene Ambuye analipo pa dziko lapansi, zimene zikugwirizana ndi zimene tikuchita pano pasi. Ndiye musazionengera chisa ndizamphamvu kwambiri, and tipeza phindu lalikulu kwambiri kukhala pamalo pano pa ndikugwirizana nafe kupanga nawo zimene zizi mu utumiki wa Krishna. Zikomo kwambiri. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Anybody else would like to add anything? Akshay Prabhu.
Yeah.
Akshay Prabhu was very instrumental to get Lord Jagannath all the way from Puri. So he is their father, they are his father, both interchange. So Prabhu, please. No Udiya.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I'd like to say, in my experience for Lord Jagannath, in Odisha, not in Odisha, in all over the world, people are just celebrating for Jagannath festival nowadays. It was in the one of the biggest achievement, which is ISKCON was presenting all over the world. So the Snan Jatra is the biggest festival in Odisha, in Jagannath festival actually. So in the Snan Jatra, generally we used to be have a making them as a, that is supposed to be as they will snan, then it will come out for the devotees. So although they are staying in the Jagannath temple, but is coming back to see the peoples over of their devotee. In their heart, generally you can see every corner, you can see that God is coming to us. That is important. We are going to the God and pray. All the temples, we are supposed to go in we leave our house, giving them whatever you want for us. Then you go ourselves. But God Himself is coming to us. That is the biggest achievement. So after this Snan Jatra, they are coming to the Rasat, which is the biggest festival. And God is always helping us, and He is also giving some prosperity in our life. That's all I can say. And likewise, I can say few words in Jagannath temple. Gandhi, Prabhuji also said something. Similar way, some of the points I will add it. Like in Jagannath temple, why the sounds is not coming? There is one miracle. I just add something. Like in Hanuman is the biggest protector of Jagannath temple, who is the most important person to protect the Jagannath temple. For example, there is one story, is Bedi Hanuman over there. I just add one subject over there. There is a lot of subject over there. So just to add another subject, that is called Bedi Hanuman. Bedi Hanuman means whenever you can see Kirtan is happening, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So at the same time, Hanuman leave everything and coming to the temple. But Jagannath said, you stay near the sea level, so that the sea should not be affecting to the Puri temple. So in the meantime, whenever the Jagannath was the Bhakta, whoever there going to pray over there, so this Hare Krishna Nam, the Hanuman leave everything from there and also coming to the Jagannath say Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. In the meantime, it's supposed to be there that waves on the sea waves, which is coming to destroy. It can't be destroyed. That things to protect. Jagannath said, go with Hanuman. You stay near the sea level. Up to now is a Bedi Hanuman. He went there with Hanuman and he bind over there. You can see the biggest chain with Hanuman. If you go into the Puri, you can see there is a Bedi Hanuman. That is one of the story, which is bind them so that the rivers, any sound, anything is not coming to affect into the Jagannath temple. So these are the story. Again, there is another story I can say. If you stay there in the Jagannath temple, when you enter over there, you cannot see the shade of the temple is so high. You can see that the height of this temple, but there is no shade. Like I am standing here, my shade is here, but there is no shade over there. So these are a lot of things are happening. There is miracles over there. Yeah, I can say these are the words.
Jaya Bharati, Jaya Sobhadra. Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Bharati, Jaya Sobhadra. Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Bharati, Jaya Sobhadra.
Hare
संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सरितं नमामि। मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं कुण्डलीकाक्षो मङ्गलाय तनोहरि सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते।
बोलो श्री जग
મારો ઉતાર દેજો ને મેં ઘડી દેર આપું તો એમાંથી મને મોકલી નંબર છે મારો
આ પ્રભુજીનો ફોન છે.
ઓકે જરા ઉતાર મારા મેં કેટલી પ્રભુજી નંબર છે તમારો લઈ લેજો. અહીંયાથી હાથ
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me